Hello everybody, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us again today on another one of our soapy time adventures. But today we are not doing soap. I think I told you in a previous video that I had a huge 5,000 lip balm order and today is pouring day. So I've just got everything out on trays. Each of these trays holds 58 or 48, so we have just a little bit less than 150 on each tray. So 3, 6, 9. So I get about 1,000 right here, a little bit less than 1,000 right here when I do them this way. I have looked into getting those big trays, but I don't do lip balms very often. It's kind of pricey. It's a process, and I like these silicone ones that I got from Crafter's Choice because any lip balm tube will fit in it. That is 0.15 ounce. When you get those big acrylic trays, they tend to, well, they don't tend to, they actually have you send them lip balm tubes and they match it to those lip balm tubes, so you can't get them from anybody else. So I've had a couple people that have actually reached out to me in frustration saying, what do you do? Because I'm making lip balms and I can't find the tubes now because they've got them from like Wholesale Supplies Plus or somewhere and they haven't been able to find them. So I just stick with this, with what I have. I'm actually considering going to invest in getting 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm actually thinking about getting another, like a set of 18, 21, 25 or something, so I can even have all the tables and just do them all in one batch. But I actually don't even have enough solution today to do a full 5,000. So we're going to just start pouring. We're going to get ready to go. And I'll just let you guys sit and watch me as we pour and scrape. And then afterwards we will clean and cap. Don't know if we'll get all that done today, but we're going to go with what we can. So without further ado, let's get lip balm making.